Just wait till the end.
This one was for the naughty kids. You're welcome, shit. Oh, here comes Mama. She gives me the...
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Here comes the
boy! Hello, boy! Welcome! Here he comes! There he is! Here comes the boy! So I was talking to Anthony. Spider! Spider! Where's the spider?
Даш, дай проведу нормально.
I'm just trying to watch The Office. Yeah, The Office. It's a pretty good show, so I'm just gonna keep watching it if that's okay. I'm watching The Office! What are you doing?
It's chicken noodle soup. You don't need it. You're not sick. You're not a sick puppy. No, back away, sir. Back away. No, no, sir.
What are you doing? What are you doing? No, that's your tail. That's your tail.
Кексоныш, с днем рождения тебя, да? Да? Ты на пляже будешь праздновать день рождения свой, да? Вот так вот, да? Ой, сколько всего вкусного у тебя.
Hey, I wanted to share this with you in case it's not quite as beautiful where you are. Do I wish you were here? No, stay away. But I wish this was there so that you could have some. But right now it's mine, all mine. But I'll share a little bit.
She's acting like, okay.
trying.
How to spin? How to spin?